Hey guys! Today on the Bunny Bunches, we are going to learn wildfire safety. Marina, why do we have to learn wildfire safety? Well, Madison, wildfire safety is very important. Remember last week when in California they had that terrible wildfire disaster? Yes, I've heard it on the news. Wildfires could be very dangerous. I'll show you guys how to be prepared just in case for an emergency. In this, just in case for wildfire and emergencies, you have to be prepared before. Know your air quality, filters and air cleaners, respirator masks, a medical plan, and generator safety. Also, another safe thing is if you are forced to leave home, you have to evacuate. You have to find your routes and escape plans, and also pack up an emergency kit, a flashlight, a radio, extra batteries, some clothes, medications, a cell phone, and charger. And you bring important stuff, your computer, and keep your data, money, money, and oh, and you need birth documents and passports. Why those? Just in case if we have important stuff for an emergency. Madison, what do you bring? Anything important like photos? Stuff like my sport trophies, my sunglasses, my art supplies, my my medals, my my jokes, all my pageant tiaras. After, when it's safe, you can come home from the wildfires. Make sure you wear a tight-fitting disposable respirator. Wear goggles, gloves, long sleeve shirts, long pants, shoes, and socks to avoid skin contact. Mist lightly with water and then sweep gently with a broom or wet mop. Collect ash into a plastic bag and dispose them in a regular trash. Wash off ash from your vehicles and outdoor toys. Inside your home, use a vacuum with a HEPA filter or similar industrial ones with disposable collections of filter bags. Direct ash-filled water into ground area from away from the storm drains. Don't use leaf blowers. And clean ash off pets. And other safety tips, keep at least a pack an emergency kit with all your belongings just in case if you have an emergency of how long it mostly will take. If you lose anything of any of all of your possessions or homes, you should go to a safe area should until you get your house rebuilt or getting construction. Well, that is it for the Bunny Bunches to learn about fire safety, wildfire safety. Please give a thumbs up to the Bunny Bunches YouTube channel and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.